Welcome back to jg.garage. Today, I'm going to be installing these high flow fittings on my air compressor and air compressor hose, which I purchased from Amazon. This is the Milton High Flow Pro Coupler and Plug Kit, and it comes with 6 fittings. It comes with 2 female plugs, 2 male plugs, and 2 couplers. These are V-style fittings and are 1/4 inch NPT connections. These fittings have a larger inner opening diameter, which allows for more airflow through the hose and air tool compared to standard fittings. So let's open it up. These are the 2 couplers which I'll be putting at one end of the air hose, and here's a look at the inside. These are the 2 female plugs, and here you can see the inner opening. I don't have a standard industrial fitting to compare it to, but you can see the difference in this photo. You can see how much bigger the opening is for more airflow. And here are the male plugs. So to connect the fittings, you just pull on the sleeve and the plug should click right in. And to release it, you just pull the sleeve again. I also purchased a male coupler that I will be installing on my air compressor because for some reason, the Milton V-style plug doesn't want to connect with the coupler that comes with the Kobalt air compressor. So this is also a 1/4 inch NPT V-style fitting, and it claims to have 75% more airflow. Its max pressure is 300 psi and has an airflow of 74 SCFM. So first, I'm going to connect this female plug on one end of the air hose, but before I screw it on, I'm going to add some tape to the threads to make sure I don't have any air leak. Now I'm going to tighten it with some wrenches. On this end, I'm going to be putting this coupler which will connect with the air tools. For video purposes, I will connect the male plug onto this Merlin blowgun from Harbor Freight, but you don't really need a high flow fitting for a blowgun. It's best used for air tools like an impact, for example. Now I'm going to unscrew the coupler that comes with the air compressor. I'm just going to take out the new Milton coupler. Now let's compare it with the other coupler, and just by looking at the inside, you can see that the Milton has a larger opening. As I mentioned earlier, the Milton V-style plug doesn't fit the coupler from the Kobalt air compressor, and I really tried to push it in and it wouldn't connect. I do want to mention, however, that I believe that if you do have a standard industrial plug, it will connect with the V-style coupler. So I filled up the tank so I can check if there's any air leaks within the threads, and everything looks good. Okay, now let's connect one end of the hose to the air compressor and connect the blowgun on the other end. So far there are no leaks, so that's good. If you guys want to watch my review on this air hose, make sure to click the card on the top right. And if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below, give this video a like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.